you send out is the echo that comes back to you. कभी खुद से ये सवाल किया है, क्यों मुझे कोई अप्रिशिएट नहीं करता, क्यों कोई मुझे अच्छा नहीं समझता, क्यों मैं किसी की गुड बुक्स में नहीं हूँ, क्यों मुझे कोई भी ये नहीं बोलना चाहता है कि ओके यू आर डूइंग गुड एंड गो फॉरवर्ड, गो अहेड, आई वॉन्ट टू सी यू हैप्पी. ये बोलने वाले तो बहुत लिमिटेड लोग हैं हमारी लाइफ में. बट हैव यू क्वेश्चन दिस व्हाई? Hi everyone, welcome back to Echoes of Kareena. So today I'm here to talk about something that I truly live by, and that is be the voice you want to hear. We live in a world that's always talking. Social media, news, even people around us. There's so much of noise. But have you noticed how often this noise is filled with negativity? Criticism, comparison, doubts, fears, and after a while, it starts to affect us. We carry it in our hearts, and sometimes, without even realizing, we begin to repeat it in our own lives. पता भी नहीं चलता है कब ये सारी चीज़ें इतनी हमारे अंदर घर कर जाती हैं कि हम सेम चीज़ों को रिपीट करने लग जाते हैं, हम सेम वर्ड्स बोलना शुरू करते हैं और हम उस एनवायरनमेंट में इतने घुल मिल जाते हैं कि हमें अच्छी लगने लगती हैं चीज़ें. बट हियर्स द ट्रूथ, आवर वॉइस हैज़ पावर. योर वॉइस, माई वॉइस एंड एवरी सिंगल ऑफ अस हैज़ एबिलिटी टू क्रिएट echoes. And what we choose to say to ourselves, to others, can either heal or hurt, break or build. And for me, as a teacher, I see this every day. A small word to a student who's struggling and can make their whole day. Not only students, अगर किसी को अपने लाइफ में आस पास रहने वाले लोगों को, फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, रिलेटिव्स एंड इवन स्ट्रेंजर्स, कोई एक बहुत अच्छी बात भी हो जाती है ना, कोई बहुत अच्छा कॉन्वर्सेशन भी हो जाता है और सामने वाले के चेहरे पे स्माइल आ जाती है ना, खुद के दिल को सुकून मिल जाता है. A reminder that you can do this can change the way the students see their lives. This is what I have realized, and that is the same for even adults. Sometimes all we need is one gentle, kind voice to remind us that we're capable, that we're enough, and that we matter, we are worthy. Why don't we do that for ourselves? Think about it. What is the voice you wish you could hear more often? Maybe it is you're doing best and that's enough. Maybe it is you're stronger than you think. Maybe it is your dreams are worth chasing and it's okay to rest. It's okay to be not okay. Now imagine this. Instead of waiting for someone else to say those things to you, why don't you start saying them to yourself and to others? And that's how positivity grows. जो भी सारी चीज़ें हम दूसरों से सुनना चाह रहे हैं अपने लाइफ में और जिसकी वजह से हम शायद उदास होकर बैठे रहते हैं एक जगह पे कि क्यों मुझे कोई नहीं अप्रिशिएट कर रहा है, क्यों ना खुद को अप्रिशिएट करना ही चालू कर दे. Let me give you an example. There was a time when I was overwhelmed with work, teaching full time, handling responsibilities, and somewhere in between I felt like I was losing myself. And I'd wake up and the first thoughts in my mind were, I'm tired. I don't think I can handle this. It's too much. And guess what? That negativity echoed throughout my day. But slowly, I decided to shift. Instead of starting my mornings with those thoughts, I began saying, today is a new chance. I am grateful for this life. I can take one step at a time. धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ना ही तो लाइफ का नाम है, right? And while my challenges didn't disappear overnight, sometimes inside me changed. Some things inside me changed when I felt lighter. I felt much more stronger. I felt like I was no longer a victim of my circumstances, but a participant in my growth. That's the power of choosing your voice you want to hear. Now I know some people think positivity means ignoring problems or pretending everything's fine, but positivity का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमने अपनी सारी problems को side कर दिया. It's just facing the problems with courage, with hope, and being much more stronger every single day. Just having that thought in our mind कि बस एक ही चीज़ पे focus करना है, खुद को बेटर बनाना है, खुद को ग्रो करना है. It's about saying yes, this is hard, but I believe that there's something good ahead. जो होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा, जो हुआ था वो भी अच्छे के लिए ही हुआ था. It's choosing to see possibilities instead of only obstacles. And you know what? I even believe that positivity is contagious. Just like negativity spreads, positivity spreads too. When you share a kind word, when you encourage someone, when you smile genuinely, you might not realize how far that echo travels. किसी के साथ एक छोटा एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस भी बहुत बड़ा चेंज लाता है किसी के लाइफ में, बिकॉज हमें नहीं पता होता है किसी के लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, व्हाट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट, बिहाइंड द पर्सन्स एक्सप्रेशंस, बिहाइंड द पर्सन्स बिहेवियर. अगर एक छोटा सा एक्ट उनको अच्छा फील करा रहा है, खुद को अच्छा फील करा रहा है, देन व्हाई नॉट. सो हियर इज व्हाट आई वांट टू रिमाइंड यू टुडे. Start with yourself. Be gentle with your own heart. Replace the voice of self-criticism with self-compassion. Share the light. If you feel something positive about someone, say it. Don't keep it inside. Compliment them, encourage them. Protect your energy, surround yourself with people and content that uplift you, not drain you. Sometimes positivity means setting boundaries. And lastly, trust that your small efforts matter. हर छोटी चीज़ का जीवन में उतना ही मतलब है. कहते हैं ना, बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है, बस वही बात है. A kind word, a hopeful thought, a little encouragement, they may seem small, but they have a power to heal someone else's day. So let your voice be the echo of love, hope and kindness. The world already has enough negativity. What it needs is your light, your authenticity and your positivity. So see you in the next. Bye bye. Till then, be positive, shine brighter.